Key differences between MongoDB Developer and Administrator certifications. Understanding the differences between these two paths can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your career goals and interests. In this video, we will clarify the distinctions between MongoDB Developer and Administrator certifications, helping candidates choose the right path for their professional development. What does a MongoDB developer do? A MongoDB developer is responsible for designing and building applications that leverage MongoDB as the backend database. These professionals have a deep understanding of MongoDB's document-based data model and query language, as well as the ability to optimize database performance and ensure data integrity. Benefits of MongoDB Developer Certification. Enhanced job opportunities. MongoDB Developer Certification validates your expertise in using MongoDB for application development, making you a valuable asset to potential employers. Career growth. By becoming a certified MongoDB developer, you can accelerate your career growth and open up opportunities for higher-paying positions. What does a MongoDB administrator do? A MongoDB administrator is responsible for managing and maintaining MongoDB database systems, ensuring the availability, performance, and security of the databases. These professionals handle tasks such as installation, configuration, monitoring, and backup and recovery of MongoDB databases. Benefits of MongoDB Administrator Certification. In-demand skills. MongoDB Administrator Certification equips you with the specialized skills and knowledge needed to excel in database administration roles. Career advancement. With a MongoDB Administrator Certification, you can pursue higher-level positions with increased responsibilities and better pay. Choosing the right path. To choose the right path, consider your interests, strengths, and career goals. If you enjoy designing and building applications that leverage MongoDB, the developer track may be the right choice for you. Conclusion. In conclusion, MongoDB Developer and Administrator certifications cater to different roles within the realm of MongoDB database management. By understanding the key differences between these two tracks, candidates can make an informed decision that supports their career ambitions and aspirations.